this is bad. This is bad. Where's my car? Where's my car? Somebody stole my car! Thanks for the good deal.
Yeah, have fun. Take care of it.
No. Ah! It's just a dream. What is up, Scatter Crew? Hey, I am back, and guess what? Nobody stole my car. Nobody bought my car. Nobody sold my car. But, oh, look at that. But I will tell you, I about made a big mistake. I almost sold my car. Now, check this out. I bought this car for $7,500 and I had to put right about $500 into it. I had to buy a new rear differential for it. But, you know, I almost sold it for $12,000. Now, that was tempting. It was tempting. It really was. But I ain't selling it. I am not selling that car unless I am about to lose my house or something, and I'll sell the car. But it's not gonna happen. I'm gonna work hard. We're gonna make some YouTube videos, and first thing that I am going to do to this car is I'm going to buy some lowering springs, lowering kit for the car, and then I'm going to look into twin turboing this 2005 CTSV. Now, obviously, this is the V1, so it is not supercharged. But I have seen a few cars that were twin turboed. Had a guy send me a picture of his twin turbo setup. And so that is what we're going to do. We're also going to be buying a rear wing. I'm going to buy some side skirts. And I'm going to be buying a front lip for the car. Also, I will be painting. I'll be repainting that. It'll be black, and that is gonna be fixed. I'm gonna take off the bumper. We're gonna repaint the bumper, and the rear bumper has a little slight spot in it. But in the meantime, check out this lawn. Fertilizer. I'm not watering like I was before because of Utah. We're in a drought. But that's it. That's all for this video. Basically, I just about made a huge mistake. Just about sold my car. I'm not gonna sell it. She's here. She's staying. She's in the garage. She's going back in the garage. She's not there now, obviously, but we're not selling. So help me out. Subscribe. Hit those like buttons. Also, make a comment. Comment down below if you have a CTSV or if you've even ever heard of the Cadillac CTSV. I hadn't until about 2 years ago. And then I was on a mission to find one and buy one. So, like and subscribe, follow along, support the channel, and be ready for this. My daughter's filming me over there. Let's go film her. All right, let's go film her. Let's go film her. Yeah. That'll show her to snap me. But, so, that's the deal. We're gonna spend some money. So we'd appreciate some support in you guys. Well, you did. You supported us. We crossed that 1,000 subscriber threshold. So now some of our videos are being monetized and we will be making some money. But in order for me to be spending money on that, or that, I'm gonna need some help and some support. So we're out of here. We're gonna go do something. Maybe, I don't know. Or go sit on the couch. I don't know what we're gonna do. But thank you for the support. And say hello to my daughters.